Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Wi-Fi scanning on Samsung. So if your Wi-Fi scanning is still active, even when you turned off Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off Wi-Fi scanning on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on location. Once you selected location, click on location services. Now under location services, scroll down and locate Wi-Fi scanning. So if Wi-Fi scanning is enabled, then to turn it off, just click on it once. And then this is going to turn off Wi-Fi scanning. Mark you, when Wi-Fi scanning is turned on, it allows apps to use Wi-Fi for more accurate location detection even when the Wi-Fi is off. So if you want to permanently turn off Wi-Fi scanning, make sure you disable Wi-Fi scanning even after you've turned off Wi-Fi. So that is basically how to turn off or disable Wi-Fi scanning on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.